Welcome to the Bitizen wallet. This video will explain how to access any DApp using Bitizen wallet's Web3 Touch Browser. First, press on the browser button in your wallet to go to the home page. And then select the Discover tab. You can click on the recommended section to go directly to the DApp list, or search for other DApps through the search box above. Let's try accessing the two DApps of NNS and Uniswap to demonstrate the process. Type NNS in the search box. The smart search will suggest NNS. Press on it and wait for loading NNS homepage. Press on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. On the Select a Wallet page, press on Bitizen Wallet, then on the Connect button, and then select the address to connect to your Bitizen wallet. Now you can smoothly use the functions of the NNS and create your own personalized DID with your Bitizen wallet address. Now let's try accessing Uniswap. Click on the button in the top right corner to go to the tabs page and open a new tab. Type Uni in the search box. The smart search will suggest Uniswap. Click on it and wait to be redirected to the Uniswap homepage. Click on the Connect button in the top right-hand corner. And when the Connect a Wallet page pops up, the Bitizen wallet option is not listed. You can select the MetaMask icon to connect. Once you have finished connecting, you can use the Uniswap features as usual. This was a tutorial for accessing DApps from the Bitizen wallet's built-in Web3 browser. Thanks for watching. To learn about other features, follow the official Bitizen social media.